Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless audio with a product that's been generating some buzz. The wireless ear clip bone conduction headphones by CSL-Computer. Let's see if they live up to the hype.
Now, what sets these earbuds apart is their unique design.
Unlike traditional earbuds that go inside your ear canal, these utilize bone conduction technology, which means they sit just in front of your ears, allowing you to hear your surroundings while enjoying your favorite tunes. First off, let's talk about comfort. The ear clips are lightweight and ergonomically designed to fit snugly around your ears, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for long workouts or runs in the park.
But comfort means nothing without great sound quality, right?
Well, fear not.
These earbuds deliver crisp and clear audio with impressive depth, thanks to the Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Whether you're into podcasts, music, or taking calls, you can expect an immersive listening experience. Pairing these earbuds with your device is a breeze.
Simply turn on Bluetooth, search for TWS7500, and voila!
You're ready to rock and roll.
Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're working, hitting the gym, or enjoying outdoor activities, these earbuds are up for the challenge.
With an IPX7 water-resistant rating, you can sweat it out without worrying about damage. And let's not forget about convenience.
With built-in microphone, phone control, and volume control features, you can easily manage your calls and music on the go, without having to reach for your device.
In conclusion, the wireless ear clip bone conduction headphones by CSL-Computer offer a winning combination of comfort, quality, and convenience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a music lover, or someone who just wants to stay connected while on the move, these earbuds have got you covered.
And that's a wrap for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy listening.